In this video, I am going to show you how to slay your Party City wig. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. So today I'm going to show you how I colored this Party City plastic Halloween store wig. So first you're going to need a wig, and you are going to need some hairspray. This hairspray came from Party City and it's in their Halloween section. I'm not sure if they have it year round, but they probably do. And I found this wig for $8.99 and it was at City Trends in their Halloween section. This hair dye actually did not work to color the wig, but I do still want to show you guys the steps that I took and how I came out with the color that I did and what I had to do. So this is what the cap construction looks like, and no combs, just an adjustable strap. It's a pretty plasticky, terrible looking wig, as you can see. So I took half of this Amore semi-permanent hair color and I put it inside of a pot and I boiled it maybe like 20 minutes, and I stirred it. And this is what the wig looks like before. I tied up the top portion because I didn't want that to be dyed. So I dipped it in there just a couple times just to get it in there, get it saturated, but I didn't want it to cover the whole wig because I wanted it to be ombre, and that's what it looks like so far. So taking it out, it did nothing at all. So what I did was went ahead and I put it directly on, and I went ahead and pulled it through the hair thinking that it would at least tint it a little bit, but as you can see, it did nothing. I mean, it tinted a little bit, but not much of a difference at all. So I started to brainstorm and see what I had to do, but in the meantime I went ahead and used the Halloween lime green spray, and that did change the texture, so it wasn't so shiny. It gave it a more natural looking texture when you coat it with the hairspray, and that's what it looks like. You can see the strands that I didn't spray and the strands that I did, they look different. So I went ahead and got some red dye and peacock green and did the same steps over again. I boiled some water and I poured in half of the red dye, and I just brought it to a boil and I mixed it up, making sure it was mixed really good. I didn't put the wig in while it was boiling. I took it off the eye so I wouldn't like completely like melt this wig, but as you can already see, it's still hot and it is still melting the curls out of the wig. So I just dipped it in a couple times just to get it colored, and I kept taking it out because I didn't want it to like completely melt. But this is what it's looked like, and it's coloring already with the red dye. You can see that the color is attaching. So this is what the wig looks like. I sprayed more of the spray to texture it and to take off some of the shine, and then you can see where the red dye actually starts. It's not as soft of an ombre that I wanted, but it did do the job. This is what the wig looks like on, and so yeah, this is a way that you can color your wigs. So thank you all for watching. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you leave. Okay, bye.